Hey folks, Adam here, and I'm about to install my REDTIGER. This is a fantastic dash camera that I cannot wait to show off. Now, a cool thing about it is it's going to be a very easy install. It's got that REDTIGER application that is on your Android device, is on your Apple device. So go ahead and download that first. There's going to be, you can search for the word REDTIGER, or you can, of course, scan the QR code in the instruction manual. But yeah, this is a very straightforward and powerful device. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my power. Then we're gonna go ahead and run the USB for the rear camera. And then we're going to go ahead, turn it on, and connect to the app. Just that easy, and it's already installed. Oh yeah, I'm gonna select English. All right, folks, the next step is to go ahead and install that rear camera. It's got a nice high quality adhesive on the back to where you can kind of stick it and forget it. And look at this, plenty long cable that you can run inside and down the side of your vehicle. Now with an SUV, I might put that right on the inside of the window to where you're looking all the way back. But you can use your creativity a little bit in regards to where you want to mount this high definition camera. Then you're gonna go ahead and connect the Wi-Fi. Very simple, go into the Wi-Fi on your smart device, click on that REDTIGER, tie it to the app, and you're pretty much done. Setup really took 2 to 3 minutes. All right, folks, now stay with me while we give this a little drive test. Some of the cool aspects to this is that it is dual 4K. That means the front and rear cameras are recording 4K video. That's pretty impressive. I would say that it's the only camera on the market that I've seen that does that. So very cool there. Now on top of all of that, I got to give it a big shout out. The read-write time is 400% improved over some previous actual cards. That means it's actually able to record that 4K video front and back without any slowdown. Now, if you ever have to show your footage to somebody, say in court, anything like that, well, guess what? This footage is, again, in 4K, so you can actually read things like license plates, and you can read the details, and you can see everything you need. A nice wide-angle lens covering the entire road, and that makes a difference. So, what do I love about this? That fast write speed is incredible. On top of that, not only is the write speed fast, the read speed is fast, but you're getting HD 4K on both the front and rear camera. No one else is doing that. Then the overall life on the memory, that's gonna be significantly longer than the competition. We're talking years longer. They've just got better technology nowadays, so you don't have to worry about those cards wearing out, the memory wearing out, the device wearing out. This is built to last, and I love that as well. On top of all of that, they've got the best new technology from Sony, that dual Starvis. That means that it's going to see well at night. That's one of the hallmarks of this, is that you're gonna get a great camera front and back at night. There's not as much glare and things of the sort. That matters to me, and that's going to make a big difference in your video quality. I also love the GPS. That means it can track your speed and things like that. I love the fact that it's got that G-Shock sensor to know to record and save those moments when you hit the brakes too quickly, because things can happen that you need to track. I love that. It's got that 5.8 gigahertz internet connection, so it's moving fast on your internet. And of course, it's got voice control because this is the latest technology. So really everything. Now, the optional, you can tie this into your battery of your car and get that parking. Yeah, it will track when you're parking and keep an eye out for your car even when it's parked. So this is the latest technology with the greatest camera, but it's also got the ability to do a parking monitor, the G-Shock sensor, that fast Wi-Fi, and of course voice control. And then the big thing is these cameras on this. These Sony cameras are crystal clear, giving you a great, not grainy image, which when it really matters, you're gonna want that crystal clear image. All right, folks, a couple other things that I do like about this. It does have the G-Shock sensor. That fatigue reminder comes in handy at times. It did go off and remind us when we were driving to Miami it was time to take a break from driving. It does the loop recording to make sure that you don't miss anything and it fills the entire card. You can turn off the you can click to turn off the tone. But you know what I really like is that you can turn on and off the internal microphone. So if you don't want, your conversation recorded, you can turn that off. I find that good. A lot of dash cams are constantly recording audio as well. And sometimes I don't want my audio recorded, you know what I mean? So that is a nice feature as well. All right, folks, this has 7-layer photo sensitivity. So really a great camera, a great device. My favorite aspect is it's highly customizable. I will likely just run the front camera in 4K. I'll have that recording all the time, doing the loop, smart stuff there, the G-Shock sensor, that makes sense. I like the fact that I can turn off that internal microphone. For me, I don't see why I would need the internal microphone, so I can turn that off. That's nice. And yeah, with that big wide screen, I'm getting pretty much everything that could happen to my vehicle covered. That way, if there is an incident, and I do have to report that to the police or to the authorities or to a judge, I can show them that 4K video at my discretion and show my side of the case. So folks, we'll have all the information available for you. Go ahead and pick this up. You won't be disappointed. Check it out. And if you want even more, we're going to show you the up close portion of the video, which is basically kind of an unboxing, but you get to see the product up close and personal. Go check it out. You won't be disappointed. It's time to pick it up. If you want even more, stick around. All right, folks, now it's time for the up close portion of the video. This is the REDTIGER Cam Good 4K plus 4K ultra clear, 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, GPS, built-in, 128 gigs. So I like that. I like that it's recording everything that's going on. I've run into an issue where I've tested other dash cams. You have to put a card in them, a TF card, and the TF card doesn't format right, and then you lose the video. It doesn't play on your computer right when you need it. This has the built-in stuff, which makes it a lot easier. Okay, so instruction manual, user manual, doot. Pretty straightforward, written in easy to read English with diagrams. This is the GPS, the front camera, the mode button, the left button, right button, sliding cover, rear camera, reset, and memory. There's your screen, a big screen, and it does have the cable clips, the electrostatic sticker, the adhesive, the tool, the user manual, the cam, front and rear, straightforward there. Your quick start guide. Okay, so it has the app download. I'll download that before we install everything, just so I have it. And the camera setup. Yeah, easy peasy. It says connect the Type-C, input the rear camera, short press the power button, and enter the video playback settings. Seems pretty darn easy. Okay, so taking a look at the cameras. Front camera, front-facing camera. Rear-facing camera, adhesive here. Whoop. Very nice. Just a good design, right? All right. If you have any questions, they're here to support you. Then inside the box, of course, includes your cabling, your power, USB A to C, and the plug for the lighter. So you got every option there. Inside here, some adhesive, things of the sort, cable stuff, the tool, and it looks like that's probably for the rear camera. Very nice, very straightforward, serious, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. All right, folks, so really a fantastic device. Very much looking forward to using this. And, you know, I've heard so many good things about REDTIGER. That makes me happy that they're ready to go. We also have the additional REDTIGER Type-C cable, and where it looks like you can hardwire that in. Very nice. So that kit is included, the REDTIGER ACC cable. So very nice. All right, folks, if you're looking for something that can't be beat, this is absolutely too sweet. Got the TF card right there. Stylish, sophisticated, and oh so chic. I'm excited about it, and I think you will be as well. All right, folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. These guys are really impressive, high quality, durable, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. You got that adhesive right there, and I'm gonna peel off on the lens. All right, folks, If your question is, should you pick it up? I'm gonna give this a resounding yes. Like that has the GPS built in, USB-C, front and rear, power and rear right there. And yeah, let's get started. All right, folks, this is the time in the video where you need to go pick this up. We show these up close portion of the video at the end, so you have the opportunity to go put this in your cart and pick it up. You get to see it up close and personal. Now it's time to pick it up. You know I love and appreciate you, but get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends.